this window, you can see the GitHub window. And I already opened the repository called Data Engineering Essentials. And also there is a current branch, that's a main, and the fetch origin. There are history of the commitment and everything you can see, and the changes. So no local changes. So in order to have a quick start, so you can see this option that open the repository in your external editor, view the file of your repository in Explorer, and open the repository page on the GitHub in your browser. So if you open the repository in the GitHub in your browser, so we own GitHub, then you can see the where we are running the GitHub. So then here you have add code, and this is one of the window which we are using here, like issues, pull request. We will discuss all of them in detail. But coming back to the view the files in your repository explorer, so you can see that where we have using this file in our actual explorer. Then so forget about all these things. We just start with open the repository in your external editor that you open in Visual Studio Code. So it will directly plug in our GitHub to the Visual Studio Code. So open the Visual Studio Code. So as you can see that is automatically plug in and open. So click, and then we will discuss about the this is the initial setup of the GitHub. Just go through the sign in and explore a little bit, then we will discuss how to use the GitHub in details later. But now we are more focusing on how we are using the Visual Studios and how we are using the Python in detail.